Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a spring cleaning motivation video. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back and thanks for joining me today. As we're trying to get ready for spring, we decided to do a collaboration called Spring Cleaning. So the host for this video is Wanda from Miss Amechi. You also can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. It will be linked in my description box down below. I am the co-host Sierra, and in today's video we're just doing some spring cleaning. So I had to go ahead and get the girls up just because they are afraid of the vacuum cleaner. For some reason, I feel like smaller dogs are very scared of the vacuum cleaner. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up the living room, the bathroom, the kitchen, and my son's room. I am going to be doing some spring cleaning, getting rid of all the trash, cleaning up areas that haven't been touched in a couple of days, and as well as getting everything kind of put up together and ready for the spring. So I do not decorate for spring, but I am going to go ahead and spring clean by going ahead and getting a couple of things put away. With spring coming up and spring break starting next week for us, we start spring break on March 31st, and we do not go back until the day after Easter, so August 9th. It'll be really great to just have a clean home, that I do not have to worry about like cleaning anything. One of the things that I really like to continuously clean during the week is like vacuuming underneath the dog's cage, because they bring in like a lot of dirt from outside in their paws. They also shed hair. They also tend to, like I said, bring just like a lot of leaves and grass, and it gets on the carpet and things like that. A lot of dirt just builds up throughout the house, and a lot of dust, so I tend to vacuum it up instead of trying to sweep it up. For my spring cleaning, I just wanted to get things cleaned up in the living room and get things off of the couch, go ahead and get my bag put away, jackets put away, organize my space. This is one of the best things I like to do, is just to organize and get things put away, and in a place that I know that it's at. I need that body right now. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me when I clean, I'm always putting on the 90s and 2000s music, whether it's R&B, whether it's hip-hop. I do listen to a lot of things from like Tamar Braxton, Fantasia, Ciara, and a lot of other songs that are going to motivate you to clean up. And so finally clean with this room, and I think that it was just time to get some things out of there that he's not using or that's too small and things like that. I then wanted to go ahead and work on my kitchen table. Yes, my kitchen table is one of the ones that always has something on it, but it's just meaning that it's things that I might need before others. So I'm gonna go ahead and put away these things here and consolidate them somewhere wherever they need to go, and get this table cleaned off and wiped.
Let me be your parachute. Parachute. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I. Yeah. Hey, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I. You and I.
Gotta get the dishes cleaned, and I need to make sure I put away all of them. So I am going to go ahead and wash them, put them away, and then let the ones that I am cleaning dry. I have been using Miss Meyer's a lot to wash dishes, and I totally have forgot about Dawn or any other dish soap because Miss Meyer's smells really good. They definitely have a new one called Compassion Flowers that smells really good as well. And so I am just going to go ahead and get those done, put away, and then I'm going to work on the next thing.
6 past 7, 8, 9. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 10 times won't you.
If you're enjoying the video this far, go ahead and give that video a thumbs up for me, as well as consider subscribing to my channel, and definitely know that I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not.
I needed to also go ahead and spring clean the snack area where the kids come up and grab snacks. So in the middle, it is where Cam grabs all of his snacks from. At the bottom is where Sky grabs her snacks from. I wanted to try and break down the food over in this area and consolidate, just because we know that spring break is coming up, and I know that I will need more snacks in the next week to occupy my kiddos while we are here on spring break. I still have schoolwork to do because I am still in school trying to get my bachelor's degree for elementary education. Crazy thing is, I had started a load of laundry this afternoon, and then had to run out to Target to get some things in order to do the rest of the laundry. So I needed to get some fabric softener, but I also needed to get things to clean the toilet. I got tired of the toilet wands, so I decided to go ahead and just break down and buy a new toilet scrubber and some toilet scrubbing basically detergent or liquid. And so I had to run out, and that's how I ended up in this outfit here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get some things done, cleaned, and checked off of my spring cleaning list. I wanted to get as much laundry done as possible throughout the house. So whether I needed to clean like the dog stuff, whether I needed to go ahead and wash things that needed to be put away. As we enter spring and the weather will start getting nicer outside, I needed to go ahead and get some of the other clothes washed that I have not worn since last year around this time, to get ready to wear as they've been underneath the bed. I'm feeling really good after completing all of the tasks in the bathroom, such as washing out the sink, cleaning around the sink, the toilet, and the tub. I also am proud that I was able to get all of these loads of laundry in the washer and into the dryer so that I can get ready to bust these clothes down and fold them all at one time. If you are like me, comment down below that you like to wait until everything is done and out of the dryer to go ahead and start busting your clothes down to fold and eventually put away. With Cam's clothes, I tend to wash those together that way I can give him his clothes when they first come out, and then he can put them away. So it teaches independence with him, where I fold and he puts them away where he knows that they belong. I then like to wash our clothes, that way I can get started on folding ours once his is done. And then last but not least, I fold Skylar's because hers is the smallest in the house. In order to get me through today's spring upload, I did have to spend a whole weekend spring cleaning the house, which is why you've seen all of the different outfits. But let me just say, every day was worth it, getting the house put back together and trying to just declutter, get rid of things that were no longer needed, and of course organizing my house and my spaces. Spring cleaning is definitely something I love to do. Our spring break starts next week, so I don't have to worry about any cleaning in the house other than laundry for the week itself. If you've made it this far in the video, leave a balloon emoji down below because your girl has finally made it past 1K. So thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel, liking the videos. Also, to the one person that dislikes every video, thank you so much as well, because you're also giving YouTube an indication to push your girl out. In this video, I just really want to say I am truly appreciative of each and every subscriber, each and every watcher, and each and every person that even comes to my channel to give a like, a comment, a share, or anything else over here on JustBeingC'Aira. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video thus far. If you have, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel at this point in the video, and leave me a comment down below. I wanted to get to use all of my wallflowers, so I am using one of my fall ones that I never got to use, just to make the house and bathroom smell good. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below.